This is gonna blow your mind, but did you know you can monitor your partner's phone? Let's talk about how responsibly. Hey everyone! Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. So, you're curious about what's going on in your partner's phone? There are third-party apps that can do just that, but hold on. It's crucial to respect privacy and understand the legal implications. Always get consent first. Now, onto the apps. Apps like mSpy and FlexiSpy offer comprehensive monitoring features. You can see texts, calls, and even GPS locations. Simply download the app, follow the setup instructions, and voila. But here's the thing. Using these apps without permission can lead to serious trouble. Always, always, always get consent. Need more details? Check the description to contact an expert. Remember, trust and communication are key in any relationship. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Stay smart, stay ethical.